Welcome to ASCI 560, Advanced Helicopter Operations. I'm Scott Burgess, the course developer. With the support of an amazing development team, this course is set for takeoff. Later in his life, Igor Sikorsky said that a helicopter would never be able to fly as fast as an airplane. It wouldn't be able to fly as high, and it wouldn't be able to carry as much. But what he did say was that a helicopter would always be able to do things that an airplane could never do.
Well, as a young soldier, I walked into a mess hall, and there was my 7th grade math teacher, and we got to talking. He invited me up on a helicopter flight as a passenger. At that point in time, I had that moment of clarity where I knew exactly what I wanted to do, and it was flying helicopters. Once in the aircraft, I really realized the diversity and utility of this system.
It's generally accepted that there are 55 separate mission sets in the helicopter industry, a very small niche. But when you consider the overall scope of the aviation industry and this small segment, which is helicopters, let's talk about that for a second. If you recall Hurricane Katrina, you saw massive amounts of water covering New Orleans. But what did you see? You saw helicopters picking people off of rooftops, delivering materials to the Superdome, and then in that same mission, taking people out. You saw massive helicopters coming and dropping materials in to plug levees. Consider how that works in the overall scope and the broad utility of the helicopter, and that's what we're going to discuss. You will learn about the helicopter and its illustrious history, how and why it works, why it functions the way it does. You'll understand the complexities of this machine and those that operate on it, the manufacturers and those that utilize it. We'll understand the complete diversity of the helicopter by the time we're done.
As a student, you'll understand what's involved in flying and operating the helicopter in its many environments. You'll understand the systems, the functions, and most importantly, what happens and what's done in an emergency. These are important as they round out the comprehensive knowledge that you're going to get in this course.
By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation and mastery of those topics that we're going to cover in this class of advanced helicopter operations. You'll be able to converse with those in the industry and do it well. Students often share with me that this course was probably the broadest course of topics that they've really covered in any class here at Embry-Riddle worldwide. So let's kick the tire and light the fire and learn something.